What the fuck? God, I wasn't expecting that.
Alright guys, we've got Dan here from Shredx. So Dan, can you just tell us a bit about yourself and some things you're doing in terms of the training? And
I run my own business.
Yeah.
I have done for a while, and I like to think I'm quite the athlete who trains on the side.
Yeah.
But now I'm a little bit older and my body is not the best, so I'm always pretty much sore. That's why I come to see you.
So you're athlete first, business owner.
Correct. Yeah, that's what I like.
That's what I thought. That's what I run a great business, but athletic potential is another level. So, I mean, you're doing, in terms of your training, what are you doing at the moment?
Just lifting weights because I hurt my shoulder.
Yeah.
And then attempting to do jiu-jitsu.
Just with the like the old school.
Put the
arm in the gi.
Exactly. Yeah.
Just
Try
old school jacare, jiu-jitsu. Just put it in. No worries. But basically, so in terms of so you're doing a bit of jiu-jitsu and that. So in terms of what are your main? So you got some shoulder issues. You got any other issues?
Mainly my neck.
Yeah.
It's always jacked up. Like I bring my chin to my chest.
Yeah.
And then I hurt my back years ago, and I've just never got full mobility and movement back through my back.
Yeah.
I just sort of lived with it.
Ah, cool. All right. Well, you are 30 now. So
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah. So okay. So what we'll do, we'll run some tests. Do some adjustments, and we'll see how you respond to that. Okay. So we'll start off by getting you. We'll get you sitting facing this way. Okay. So basically, just run a couple of tests. We'll get you test your shoulder first, and right arm like this, and just resist that. Resist that. That one? Yeah. Just look from your thumb. Yeah, nice and strong. Good, nice and strong. Yeah, so that's testing your eye, it's just the shoulder. You just couldn't sort of hold straight. Okay, just to the left all the way. Any discomfort there?
Yeah, a lot.
Where are you getting most of it?
There,
right
the
at the
base,
base.
yeah.
Okay, right. If you go to the other way? Or is that, what about that?
No discomfort.
Just more restriction?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No pain at all.
Right in there.
Oh yeah, all
down
down there.
Yeah. This one here as well. Okay. All right. That one. Yeah. Right, man. Okay. So what we'll do? First one adjustment. We'll get you laying on your back, and we'll have your knees up about here, and then just turn it.
Like that?
So you're coming down this way. Yeah, but they're perfect. Okay, we've got a spicy one to start off with, mate. Okay, so
yeah.
We'll do the Y strap with you. So this is like a decompression adjustment. So we'll just get we'll start off in your neck, and it'll just sort of decompress the spine, right? So we'll get your head up. I'll put that in. Yep, and down. And chin up. And chin up all the way, and just coming up a little bit. And just with this, letting your legs just relax. Okay, let it relax,
What the fuck? God, I wasn't expecting that. Oh my god. Never had that before.
That was a beauty.
Yeah.
That was a beauty. I heard that one.
God.
How'd that feel?
That was good.
Good? Alright, man, cool. Yeah, it's a totally different.
Never had that before.
Yeah, it's totally different to like.
I was expecting like some little light one.
The giveaway is when I get you to go about a foot that way.
Yeah, because I thought my knees would just stay there. I didn't think you'd actually pull me up.
Let's get you flying. Just that left ear. There we go. Just that right. There we go. Okay, and just open your jaw. Yeah, it's not great on that left side.
It's always been like that, eh? It's not meant to be like that.
No. Because your jaw, when you open your jaw, it's opening and then it's kicking off.
Yeah, it always clicks.
Whereas it should be just straight up and down. So this one, particularly your left side. Yeah, it's called the TMJ joint here. So it's just really, and often people like stress will grind their teeth a lot.
Yeah, I do.
They'll sort of fuck around with that one. Alright. This one will be pretty This one sucks. Alright.
Oh God.
Alright. Okay, and facing all the way that way. Just opening your jaw. And close. And open. Just keep it like that. Okay. And coming back this way. And open. And hold it there. Okay, and back to neutral. And open that. And down. Open. Much better. Feel that?
Yeah.
Like the clicking's gone on the left side, and actually your chin is now like just tracking up and down, as opposed to it was like on the piss. Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm still recovering from that first one.
And breathe in. And out. Okay, cool. Right. Arms like this. This one's going to be a bit.
Oh, yeah. God, that sucks.
Okay. More through that one.
Yeah, this one's cooked.
Alright.
Oh.
On that one there, and nice and strong. Pushing. That's right. Left one. Strong. Yeah, it's no good. Yeah, just lifting your pelvis off. Tell what it means. It's not like firing properly from your lower back. Yeah, this will be a bit savage. Oh,
Oh.
Okay. Alright. Okay, this one just relax that. Yeah. Around this area. I've got to be careful of those knees. I've seen this guy throw some elbows and knees. That's it, yeah. This one here, and then a bit in there as well. Get any issues with knees?
Nah, no, I've had ankle
Yeah.
and ankle lower back.
Session there is a bit flange.
Oh God. I definitely think, like you said, my lower back and quads, glutes are super weak.
Yeah.
And probably my abs too.
Yeah. Normally the pattern is, it's like the glutes won't fire properly, and same with the core, and then like the QL muscle, it's the main one, lower back, and the hip flexors will be sort of tight. So
yeah, my hip flexors are cooked.
yeah. Okay. When you turn from the next one.
Oh.
Right leg up. And down. And down. And up. 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 And down. Left one up. And down. And up. And up. And up. Okay. This right side here, this one will be.
Yeah, that's true.
The shit ass.
God, that's tight.
Okay. 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 Alright, and this one will go on your, we'll hit both sides. So on your side facing towards the left.
Oh.
That's right, yeah. Okay. Just letting all the way up, let the shoulder bar all back. There we go, beautiful. On the side Thanks, mate.
God, I really don't have to hold back on the
animation.
Yeah.
There we go. Awesome. Alright, on your back again for me, let's retest both legs. That right leg up, push. Okay. And up, push. Okay. Feels better, right? Yeah. Cool. And sit down facing that way, thanks. We've still got the one of the greatest improvisation stories I've ever heard. With the guy who vandalised the shop. Do you want to tell that one?
God, it just never ends.
Tell that one.
We had one was the graffiti of the shop, and then
Yeah.
one was someone smashed the window.
So when some guy graffitied the shop, that was about a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
So what'd you do?
We made it into pretty much called him out and caught him within a couple of fucking minutes or hour, probably within an hour.
When you're the mayor of Perth, you get shit done.
And then we turned it into a joke and made it into a tea because it went so viral on our social media.
Yeah.
And then we ended up selling a lot, and I think we donated $3,000 or $1,000 to 3 different charities.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
It was fun, a lot of
Unbelievable. And that was all. The turnaround was in like 48 hours.
Yeah.
48 hours. Yeah. Crazy.
Same day from graffiti, we released the shirt.
From within 48 hours, found the guy. That was found the guy, did the concept of the shirt, printed it, got it out,
and shipped it.
and donated.
It was
Within 48 hours.
a lot of fun.
It's crazy.
Social media is vicious.
This is the man whose eyes everywhere. And overhead press. Yep. And down. And up. And down. Just this right side, yeah. Just to the right side now.
Right,
Just the right side, yeah. Right. Still sucks, yeah. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. Okay. Back to left. To the right all the way. Beauty. Cool. Alright, I'm getting the right arm like this.
Whoa. Yeah, wow, that's good, right.
Straight away. Yeah, so that's one of those things you just tell, like you just get all the nerves start, particularly even from the neck and just the shoulder, things will just fire a lot
That
better.
last one, I can feel that all down behind mine.
Yeah. The rotating up, like just that one's fine. Yeah, that's a nasty one, that sort of sneaks in pretty cool. Lifting your thumb. Strong. Beautiful.
What an animal. I'm still feeling it.
So Coach Costa, he's going to expect it tonight or tomorrow?
Yeah, tonight. I'm going to try.
Rod Costa, get ready. Star athlete's coming back.
My
MMA debut, Eternal mate, is on. Go on.